This is a 2011-2017 Honda Odyssey. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the video. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now that's the key. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver, a very small one with a fine tip, the one that looks like that. And you will also need a flathead screwdriver to pry the key open. Grab that Phillips head screwdriver and there's one small screw on the back side, not with the side the button, it's on the other side, over there. That one right there, use a Phillips head screwdriver to get that screw off. Get it off completely and be sure you don't lose it because it's a very small screw and you don't want to lose it. It's hard to find again. Now grab that flathead screwdriver and there's a small notch right there, right by where you took the screw off. Right there, put the screwdriver in there and twist it. Make sure it's in all the way and then you twist it, and that way you can pry the key open. Now there's nothing else holding it in place. It'll come right off. Now that is the actual remote part of it. Just turn the key upside down, it'll drop right down like that. Now there are two clips. You can just take it off using your nails. You just have to undo the one clip. Just pull it off like that and the other one will just come right out too. And once you do, now you can see the battery. In order to get the battery out, grab the flathead screwdriver again and put it in the small place there. There's even an arrow pointing where to put that screwdriver. And use that to pry the battery out. Now there's a plus sign on it. That means that when you put the battery back on, the positive side should be down. That's the negative side. The positive sign is this one with the marking on it. It even says it on there. CR2032, that's the battery size. CR2032, that's what you need. Get the new CR2032 battery. Put the battery with the positive side facing down. Put it in the position and simply press it down. Now we need to put the other part back together. Just align both the parts and then press them together and it'll just clip. Try it out before you put the whole thing back in. Put the remote part back into the key holder there. Put it back in. Put the other part on. Press it together. It'll clip. And then we just need to put the screw back on. When you're putting the screw back in, make sure it's tight but not super tight because it's plastic and the screw is very small. So don't super tighten it. Now let's try it out. And that is looking good. Hope you found the video useful.